Hello guys, I'm cooking pork bopis. This is pork lungs. This is pork heart and a kidney. And there's some internal organs of the pork that are not included in here because it's not available. So you can put any other internal organs of the pork. You can use it. So I will show you how to cook it. Pork bopis. The first thing we need to do is to steam this internal organs for around 30 minutes and then let it cool and then chop it like this. The smaller the better. Yeah, and then I will show you the next step. The next thing is to prepare your frying pan. I'm using margarine instead of oil. It smells better, it tastes better. After they're done with the chopping all the internal organs, and then we need to prepare the garlic, ginger and onion. So we will start the frying process. Okay, here is garlic, onion and ginger. Okay, we'll start cooking. I added some black pepper so it will be more tender. The taste will be much better. I added the onion, and then after a minute I will add the bopis, the mixture of the internal organ. Pork bopis, this is so good. At this point we are frying the mixture of bopis, so we can add some water, some vinegar and some soy sauce. If it is too dry, you can add a little bit of water again. I added some anato powder mixed with water, so it will give you a nice smell and nice color. Maybe I will simmer it for about 2 to 3 minutes. Okay, I just added onion flakes, garlic powder, magic sarap, and ajinomoto. And also, I will be adding these carrots and bell pepper. You can put any color of bell pepper or mixture of it. Just cover it and mix it every 2 minutes, and then it will be done. Maybe around 10 minutes it will be done. It's almost done. I added a little bit of ketchup, chili ketchup, and the true red pepper. Yeah, this is the final touch. I forgot to add the bay leaves, so I added it right now, and then you can cover it maybe just around 1 minute. It's okay. bay leaves. Okay, it's done and ready to eat. Just need rice.
No, stop.
Super nice. Oh my god. I will eat more rice today.